Hi guys, it's Mrs. Davis. You are almost a Chrome grizzly. So we need to know what is a Google Chrome app and what is a Google Chrome extension. So 2 words you need to know, an app and an extension. So first we're going to look at apps. The most important thing, you want to make sure that you are signed in. You're looking up here and seeing that your name is there. You want to make sure you're signed into Chrome. You're going to go over here to the colorful waffle and notice it says apps and it even says show apps. So we're going to click on that. Now all of these icons, and I have a couple pages of them here, are all apps that I have attached to my Google Chrome account. An app, a good way of looking at it, is like a glorified bookmark. So all of these are bookmarks up here and they will link us directly to that page, to that site. Each of these sites acts as if it's its own program. We just don't have to download something to our computer to use it. So each of these has a different function. It is an application that is a website that acts like it's a program on your computer. The easiest way to get to an app is to go to the web store. So we're going to go ahead and click on Web Store. All right, and right here, the very first one says apps. Now, there's always a bunch that are recommended, just like any of the web stores that you might be on. Let's look at one. It's called Pocket. Now notice it gives us again, first we have apps, then extensions, and sometimes it'll even have themes. But this time we're going to look at apps. Now if you have not already added an app, it's going to say add to Chrome. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. It says, are you sure? Yep, add app. Okay, it's checking. And then it takes us back to our Google Apps and says, here it is. So this is a pretty cool app. We're going to go ahead and click on it. It asks us to go ahead and sign up with Google. I'm going to allow it. Put in my password. Password saved. Now it says my list is empty. Now the cool thing about Pocket is it's going to allow me to find things on the web that maybe I want to read, but I don't have time to do it right now. So I'm going to put it in my pocket, so to speak. Now, you can see this looks like it's a program, right? Back on top there. It looks like it's a program, but it really is just a website that acts like a program. So there's your apps. Now, there's lots of apps to pick from. I'm going to close this one. Another one I really like is just the Google Classroom app, which allows you to put an app on there so you can jump right into Google Classroom. Now, extensions are slightly different. Extensions, you'll see those listed up here in the top right corner. Now, extensions are not full applications. They're little pieces of it. And in fact, I like to say that they extend the function of an app. So let me show you what that means. Let's say then that I want to go down here to where it says extensions and says Pocket. So here's the Pocket app. Here's the Pocket extension. So I'm going to add to Chrome. It says add extension. Yep, please do. And watch up here. There's the little icon for it. It wants me to sign in. Say yep, allow. I don't want to put it on my Android device right now. So now it says, okay, you've got it. So I'm going to close this. And let's say I want to search something about, I've got my coffee theme going. Let's say coffee. Oh, it's showing me coffee shops. All that's good. But I want to know the case for drinking as much coffee as you like. That sounds good. So I'm going to click on that. No, I want to to skip that ad. And down here it has this great article, but I just don't have time to read it right now. So I'm going to go up to my Pocket extension, and I'm going to click. And it says add a tag. And I'm going to say, okay, well, give this a tag. It's going to say coffee. Enter. And that's it. So, oops. All right. So if I go back to my apps and I go to my app pocket, here's the article that I just tagged using the extension. Here's the tag I just put on it. So apps are glorified bookmarks that help us get to websites that act like programs. Extensions are a smaller function of an app that let them work together. Now here's an important piece. Apps do not use your computer's memory. You can have as many as you want, but they're not going to use up your computer's memory. Extensions, the more you have up here, the slower your computer will run. So, if you have too many going, you're going to need to manage your extensions. Well, I'll show you that in the next video. Right now, go check out the Chrome Web Store and look at the apps and extensions that are available. Have fun. Try it out.